there's the Amazon truck right now. I am going to go follow it up to my house. So I'm going to go follow it up to my house. Let's go. Going up the street. Let's go. Sorry if it's all jiggly. I'm trying to make sure I beat it. I mean, it might make a few more stops. But other than that, going to my house. So Amazon is trustworthy every now and then, depending on what the package you get. Will come. Now it's coming up the streets. I got hurt. Actually, it's not worth me going. It is stopping again. So we're gonna chill out here. When I chill out here, I lower the gear. But it stopped again. And there's a car coming, so I have to go in here. Alright. Alright. Let's go in there. And then when the driver comes back, I'll go to my house. Actually, let's go right now. Alright, I did get a GoPro, so should be cool, and that's a nice car. But when I go up the hill, sometimes my phone alerts me when packages are coming, or when it's out for delivery. So, we already found the Amazon truck, thanks to my bike. We already found the Amazon truck, so as you know, the title of the video is Finding the Amazon Truck. Or crap, there it is. Or following the Amazon truck. So, since I know what street it's on, and I know where it's coming, we're next. Unless it goes that way, then it comes back. But just depends on the driver. So yeah, we're gonna act like nothing happened, and we're gonna get this package. And yes, we did spy on it the whole time, so don't tell anyone. But we weren't really supposed to do that. But you know how I love to spy. Alright, so I believe it's coming. I believe I see it. Not yet, but it's coming. So what we're gonna do is, I could wait, but we're gonna see where he puts it. I'm gonna check this garage to see where he puts it. Alright. There. Alright. He could have turned around and gone the other way. We don't know. And I'll do an unboxing video later. Crap, I thought that was him. It's like right there. But that's a different car. Oh, there's Amazon. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll hide under one of the cars, because he's not expecting it. I'm waiting for him to get his lazy butt up. So, alright, there it is. Right there. And, oh crap, he's coming. And he probably already saw me, so I'm just gonna wait here. But, there's 2 Amazon trucks coming, so I got 2 Amazon packages, so here it is. Oh, he passed right by me. What the hell? Oh, he's stopping. Alright, well, there goes our Amazon truck. He's like, sorry, I'm back up. It's like, where? But anyway, it's coming. That's our truck. Where's my Amazon package? That's our truck. Hey. That is our truck. Alright, so I obviously found the Amazon truck, and it's obviously confused, so it's turning a different way. It's going a different way, so it's turning around. Okay. Alright guys, so this will be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day. Oh, and of course, go Wildcats. Enjoy. Peace.